Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative. Today I want to tell you about our new feature, and it's in Divi Assistant, our flagship plugin that we have for Divi. And it's a way to customize password pages using the Divi Builder. So this is for Divi 5, and it's in Divi Assistant. And you know how WordPress has a password option? So you might want it to be locked while you're building the site or something like that. So on any page, you would come in here and click on this status. And right here, it says password protected. So like it could be published or whatever, but let's say I enter, I choose cat as my password or something like that. I save that, and now I'm going to view that page. I get this screen. Now, this is fine, I guess, if you don't care how it looks. But there's no way to customize any of this. So password protected, to view this protected post, it's not a post, it's a page. Enter the password below. We're lacking spacing even here. Now, again, I could type in my password and submit it, but even this isn't in line and nothing, it looks bad. So we made an option with Divi Assistant where you can actually design that page using the Divi Builder. And in order to do that, we also had to make a new module, and we're just calling it password. So it's a password module, and of course, all the settings that you would expect in a module, customize the text and the design and colors and everything, the input field, the button, you can style it all. But we had to have that so that you can make the layout with Divi. And then in our settings, you can assign that layout. So let me just show you. I already built one. So I'll just show you the settings for this. So in the back end, go to the dashboard, PA Creative, Divi Assistant, and then go down to the maintenance helper. And then here's a new sub tab that we added, password protection. And here is the setting. So you enable that. And there's a couple options in this video. We're just focusing on replacing that default layout. We also have this one for a global layout for the whole site, but we'll talk about that in another video. So I've enabled it, and then we get this drop down to select the layout from the Divi library that we want to show in its place. Now, I already built one, but you can select it here. You can see that Divi library layout, password protection layout. So that's what I've built. I'm going to save that. But if I kind of wanted the convenience of, I want to go edit that, or I want to just check it, I can click this button and it's going to open that selected layout. And it's just a convenience, of course. Now I could have obviously gone down to Divi library, come in here like this, and then found it this way. And I get to the same place, but little convenient shortcut. So I'll open that, and this is going to show you what I've built. Now, of course, you can build whatever you want. In fact, I had an icon module here. I could add another text module. I could style the background of this section. You only get like this one section here like this. I have the module. I have an input with a border. I've already styled it a little bit. The button, I made it purple, of course, and I didn't adjust much, but a couple spacing things, a couple text things. And for this example, I kept it really simple. You might want to put something here that's kind of more branded, like whatever it is that you're locking access to, like a gated type of community type of thing, some kind of resource. You might want to actually put information about that to help someone feel like they're not at the wrong place, or that it's like some off limits thing, like make it very intentional. So that's the beauty of this. You can do that. This example was just to kind of be cute and keep it simple. So this is my layout. I'm going to make sure I save those changes just in case I've saved something. I already have it selected here. So now I'll just go to my incognito tab and show you again because I'm logged in. We will refresh. Hopefully we get a better result than that. I added a ton of spacing, so just be mindful. I was doing that. I did that for my screenshot because I wanted to take a clean screenshot for the tutorial. So obviously you won't have this spacing, but there it is. I replaced that ugly thing with that. And it's just really nice. And of course I could, what did I make it? Cat, I think. Yeah. And there I'm back to the page. And the blog post walks you through like making the layout, selecting layout in the Divi library, designing it, putting the password module in there, selecting the layout. And of course, you can go back and edit it at any time. So this is part of Divi Assistant. It's one of our new features. We now have over 150 tools like this. So be sure to check it out. Everything from fixing accessibility in Divi to setting global text and all kind of utilities and media and font helpers and import and export and all that stuff. So be sure to check that out. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.